Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is June Rodriguez from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of February 14 hanggang February 20 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanan kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell for more videos update. Of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na yung hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na gumapaw, biyay manabalik sa inyo. And of course, guys, umpisahan na natin ang laban for the sign of Scorpio. So ano kaya ang pinaka-messages, advices for you ng ating mga gabay? So we're back! So tingnan natin guys kung ano gusto sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Guides, please give me information. So there's Ace of Cups. So there's an offer for a love life. So some of you, kung mayroon kang partner, asawa, jowa, or something kaharutan, so there's a possible that there's true love, no? Kumbaga talagang may love. Love can exist, no? Talagang sinasabi dito, there's love involvement. O talagang may something, kumbaga may kurot sa puso yon, parang gano'n. Talaga there's a love. And because there's a Knight of Cups, so there's a wish fulfillment. So may mga bagay na unti-unti na matutupad. May mga bagay na unti-unti na maisa sa katuparan. And of course, there's a King of Pentacles, so there's a security. No? Kumbaga maging secure ka and being practical pagdating sa finances. And of course, there's a judgment for the wake of call or something inner calling. So may mga bagay dito na parang tinatawag sa'yo ng ating angel spirit na you need to take an action or you need to listen to the inner voice, no? So let's see, additional messages. So there's the star card. So there's a wish fulfillment sa mga bagay na unti-unti nang may sakatuparan at unti-unti na may lalahad. Oh my God. Additional messages. So there's the Three of Cups. So there's a celebration, no? Kumbaga, may mga magaganap na celebration, event, homecoming, or something, kumbaga, pagpupulong, ganon, or something like that. So, let's see what is the Ace of Cups. And of course, there's the Eight of Pentacles. So, there's a focus. No? Mag-focus ka sa ginagawa mo. And of course, sinasabi dito, mag-unfold it naturally pagdating sa love life. Darating yan. Kung talagang, di ba, para sa'yo. And of course, there's a new love life naman. No? If you are single, so there's a getting to know each other or something na, kumbaga, hindi lang siya kilig. And of course, there's a Page of Pentacles, so there's an investment. So, may mga bagay na unti-unti ka ng, kumbaga, matutupad, no? There's an investment and of course, manifestation. So, na magdadala sa iyo ng wish fulfillment. And of course, there's a star. Oh my God, the Sun card is here. So, there's a pure positivity. So, magbibigay sa ito ng positive outcome and BM practicality. So, ito yung magiging tagumpay at laban mo. Diba? So, let's see what is the judgment. So, there's an, oh my God. So, ito yung paalala, no? Kaya nagkakaroon ng sign of synchronicities dito that because of the Ten of Swords is backstabbing. May tumatraidor sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na there's a trying, no? Trying to pull you down. So, sinusubukan itong pabagsakin ka. So, dapat maging aware ka. So, let's see what is the Star card. So, there's the Moon card. Oh my God! Ang ganda! The Sun, the Moon, and the Star card. So, talaga nire-recognize dito, guys, na there's a, kumbaga, naka-line up na yung mga bagay na mangyayari for you. So, there's a possible na, kumbaga, there's a revelations, and of course, may mga bagay na talagang ibibigay sa'yo. And kasi sinasabi na start is a wish fulfillment, and there's a healing. So, magkakaroon ka ng healing dyan, guys, no? So, the Three of Cups represent the Ace of, oh my God, the Ace of Pentacles. So there's a big money coming in for you. May malaking pera. Napapasok na magdadala sa'yo na selebrasyon. My God. Ito na yun, Scorpio. Ito na yun. Ito na yun. My God. And because the Ace of Cups and because the Eight of Pentacles represent what? The Queen of Wands. Wow. Stability and control na magdadala sa'yo ng control. Kumbaga, pinipili dito siguro, maraming tao sa paligid mo na kumbaga dinidistract ka para mawala ka sa focus or para mawala ka sa ulirat. Ay, may ulirat. And because there is the Five of Swords. So there's a self-sabotage. Ay, yun yung sinasabi na, kung mag-i-invest ka, mag-invest ka. Kung maggagawa ka ng isang bagay, gawin mo na. Huwag ka nang dumaldal. No? Kung sinasabi dito, ginagamitan to ng something, information mo, no? Kung yung mga sinasabi mo. So there's a lot of people, no, na nagkakaroon ng evil curses, no? That because may mga naiinggit behind your back. So let's see what is the King of Pentacles and because the Sun cards. So there's a Four of Wands sa celebration. So guys, double clarification na it's either a wedding, engagement, proposal, or something na magdadala sa iyo ng success. Kasi there's a success, and of course there's a security, mo sa finances. Ang pasabog! So let's see what is the Judgment and the Ten of Swords. So there's the Magician, the manifestation, guys, and of course the Magician represents, oh my God, there's something, oh my God. May tao daw gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda dito at binabackstab ka. Oh my God! So there's a judgment for a wake-up call. So parang kailangan mo na mag-take ng action or something na kumbaga may gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Kaya nagkakaroon ng delays or subsequent cancellation that because may taong sumasabotahe sa'yo. Oh my God! So alamin natin to, no? Bago tayo mag-proceed dito, so alamin natin to ano, tong negative na to. And because there's an 8 of Wands, so there's a fast communication and fast movement. So there's a trouble. No additional messages. And there's a full card. Huwag ka nagtitiwala ha. There's an information na parang nakakakuha ng mensahe or nakakakuha ng informasyon sa'yo. Be aware. So let's see what is the Star card and the Moon card. So there's a Ten of Pentacles. Oh my God! The long-term success and long-term investment and of course financial security. So sinasabi dito guys na etong Star card and the Moon, kumaga biglang mag-ship ng eksena na parang wishing coming true and of course the Moon is the truth reveal. So maaring matupad to some of nowhere. There's a blessing this guys happen to your life na kumbaga with an unexpected moment na 'di ba? There's some miracles. So talagang hindi mo ina-expect lahat ng mga magbabago at iikot yung kapalaran mo. So let's see what is the Three of Cups. And of course the Ace of Pentacles. So there's a Nine of Pentacles. So there is a blossoming abundance. Talagang 'di ba? Ang kasaganahan ay talagang lalagapak sa iyo. Talaga sinasabi sa iyo dito na ito na yung pagbabago. Uusad ka na at makakaalis ka na sa kung ano man yung ginagalawan mo. Oh my God! Ang ganda. So let's see what is the outcome for this messages for the overall. For overall, there's a 7 of Wands. Protection namin yung sarili mo. No? Kumbaga, ang ganda ng reading na to, kailangan magiging maganda yung outcome. The 7 of Wands is a protection. So, kailangan mo protection na yung sarili mo. And of course, the Page of Swords. Get more information. Oh my God! So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo protection na yung sarili mo kasi maraming gumagawa sa'yo. Kaya na hindi natutupad to. Kaya nagkakaroon ng delays. And of course, parang postpone yung mga bagay na dapat ay mangyari na sa'yo. Hindi pa nangyayari kasi may impormasyon na kumukuha. And of course, nagkakaroon ng evil courses. Kaya nagkakaroon ng something, kumbaga sabotahe sa'yo. So, ito yung sinasabi na kailangan mo magkaroon ng protection and of course, being protected ng ating angel spirit. So, let's see what is additional messages for career. Sa career mo, so there is a Six of Swords. Transition. Makakalis ka na sa sitwasyon. No, parang ito na yung pagbangon. And of course, there's a Six of Pentacles. Kumbaga sinasabi dito sa career mo, kumbaga there's a giving, receiving something by the universe na magtutuloy-tuloy na yung pasok, magtutuloy-tuloy na. Kumbaga, di ba may palabas, pero may papasok, may palabas, pero alam mo yung parang, di ba, mas marami yung pumapasok kaysa sa lumalabas kasi there's a balance. My goodness. And of course, there's the Four of Swords. Makinig ka sa intuition and inner voice mo. Additional messages for love life. So there's an information, the Chariot card. And of course, there's a Knight of Swords. Kumbaga, pagdating sa love life mo, there's a, you need to take an action, no? Kumbaga, itong, it's either yung partner mo ay, kumbaga, stress or nagkakaroon ng anxieties dahil sa mga negative overthinking. So, let's see. Additional messages for health. There's an Emperor. So, you have the power, no? Kumbaga, kaya mong i-manifest yung mga nararamdaman mo, yung mga bagay na, kumbaga, magiging okay ako or something. Kumbaga, makinig ka lang sa inner voice mo or intuitions mo, no? Kumbaga, may gabay ka dito eh. May mga bagay lang siguro na kailangan mong, kumbaga, i-activate, no? So, kailangan mong alamin at tuklasin. So, let's see. What is the magical fairy messages? So, what is the magical fairy messages for you? So, whom do you need to forgive? So, as you release old anger or resentment, you will find that your wishes will come true. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mong bitawan yung mga negativities, no, yung mga taong gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo or something na, kumbaga, okay, dead ma. Okay, kung may mga taong nagagalit sa'yo or naiingit sa'yo, kumbaga, wag ka na magalit, wag ka na magtanim ng puot at pigati. Hayaan mo na siyang, di ba, marunong ka dumedma. Marunong ka na dapat, okay, dead ma, gano'n. Kumbaga, be matured enough and be grounded kung ano man ang thoughts and of course, information mo, di ba? So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. For yin and yang oracle card represent rejection. So, yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, na dapat marunong ka i-reject yung mga ganyang negativities. And of course, there's Ace of Earth. So, may kinalaman ka sa Taurus, Capricorn, and Virgo. So, some of you, baka person mo is Taurus, and person mo is Virgo, or person mo is Capricorn. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's the seeds. So, kung ano yung tinanim mo, siyang aanihin mo. So, ito yun yung mga tinanim mo, yung sakripisyo na tinanim mo this past old years or something, few years ago or few months ago. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na ito na yung, kumbaga, pag-ani mo. And of course, there's a third eye. So, there's a clarity. Magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan. At the same time, may mga bagay na makikita ka. No? There's ayun yung sinasabi ko, activation. Mag-activate mo sa spirituality mo. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. For Archangel Michael messages for you, go forward fearlessly. So, magpatuloy ka na walang kinakatakutan. Dapat laban na laban. Pero kasi sinasabi sa'yo dito, guys, no, na this situation is already resolved. So, some of you guys nasolusyonan na at nararanasan na yung pagyabong. Perfect! So, sinasabi dito na, kumbaga nasolusyonan na protektahan nyo na yung sarili nyo. So, aani na lang kayo. So, some of you guys, Scorpio, na wala pang hindi pa kayo protected, of course, hindi pa kayo naka-cleanse ng negativity. So, you need to do something. And of course, you and your loved ones are safe, no? Kumbaga, your home is protected by angels. So, sinasabi na protektado naman daw ang inyong mga anak at iyong mga mahal sa buhay. So, let's see what is the Monsology. Monsology represents emotional running high. So, kumbaga, this is the moment na parang magiging emotional ka. No? Kumbaga, yung kaligayahan talaga, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapo na kaligayahan. And because there's I told you so. It's time to release negativity. So, kailangan mo na talagang pakawalan yung mga negatibo or toxic na nangyari sa'yo sa nakaraan mo. And because there's communication is the key. So, kailangan mo makipag-communicate on your own power, on your own spiritual health and spiritual wealth. So, let's see what is the chakra. So, there's an information by the self-worth. So, kailangan mong hanapin, and of course, mahalagahin yung sarili mo. Mahalin yung sarili mo. Halagaan yung sarili mo. So, there's a bittersweet. So, ibig sabihin, kung may pait, may tamis ng tagumpay. So, nandito ka na sa tamis. And because there's a completion, huwag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat. No? Hanggat maaga pa, solusyonan na. So, let's see additional messages. And of course, there is a right passage. So, makakapasa ka sa hamon ng ating gabay at Panginoon. And there is an environment. So, nasa paligid mo lang. So, ibig sabihin dito, it's either, kumbaga may mga toxic ka sa paligid mo, or either, kumbaga magiging bago ang environment mo. And there's a completion, kumbaga there's a happiness inside, and of course, malalaman mo yung inner truth, no? Or something na inner self. Ganon. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. Pagdating sa Romance Angels, there's a passion. So, allow your heart and soul to sing with the joy. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga maging masaya ka at maligaya ka this time, no? So, let's see what is additional messages for Angel Spirit Guides. And of course, there's blossoming abundance. So, magkakaroon ka ng blossoming abundance, talagang lalago at lalakas talaga ang negosyo o pagdating sa finances mo. Kasi there's an Ace of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Ten of Pentacles. And of course, diba? Pasabog. And the Star card is here, the Moon card is here, and of course, the Sun card is here. Ang laking factor sa'yo na, kumbaga, ito na yung solution, ito na yung parang yung result or something, ito na yung mga pinaghirapan mo. Kumbaga, mag-harvest ka na lang. There's a paying off na, no? And because there is an angel of balance, so kailangan mo, kumbaga, maging balanse, no? Magiging balanse ka, or kailangan mo maging balanse. Additional messages. And of course, there is a success. Oh my God! Talaga sinasabi niya, magsasuccess ko. And of course, sinasabi din dito, there's a loneliness. So, hindi ka nag-iisa, maraming gumagabay o nagbabantay sa, or maraming taong tumutulong behind your back. And of course, there is a failure. So, may mga bagay na kailangan mo talagang pagdaanan. Ang mga pagkakamali. Diba? Kumbaga, oportunidad yan. Kumbaga, maging thankful kapag may mga bagay na nagkakamali ka o itinatama mo. And of course, there's a prayer work. So, kailangan mo talaga magdasal and fresh air. Kailangan mo sariwang hangin and there's a sunlight. Kailangan mo magpa-araw. So, let's see. Additional messages for angel spirit guides. Forge, don't follow. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, tawag dito, be leader with yourself. No? Kumbaga, pamunuan mo yung mga bagay-bagay. No? Kumbaga, hayaan mo na mag-unfold it naturally. At the same time, there's a trust the timing. So, see, I told you so. Hayaan mo mangyari yan talaga ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. There's a trust the wave you came into on. No? Kumbaga, talaga ibibigay sa'yo talagang kumpara sa'yo. And of course, there's a loosen your grip. No? Let God in. Hayaan mo yung Panginoon yung magbigay sa'yo. No? Kumbaga talagang worth it, no, pagsigad na talaga yung, 'di ba? Yung mismong ibibigay niya sa yung bagay na yun. Kasi walang patid yun, tuloy-tuloy na yun. So let's see additional messages. And of course, there is a healer. So some of you, you become a healer or kailangan mo ng healer. Or and of course, some of you guys, there's a freedom. Makakalaya ka na sa lahat ng mga negative and there's a flowers. So see, mamumukadkad ka para kang isang bulaklak. Diba? Ganda. Yes. So let's see what is the angel's answer. The angel's answer represent, oh my God, don't stop, no? Wag kang hihinto. Kailangan laban na laban ka. At the same time, there's a peaceful resolution. Masusolusyon na at may kapayapaan pa. O, diba? No, because there's a no. Marunong ka dapat humindi. At marunong ka dapat talaga humindi. No, there's a no. Or may mga bagay na kailangan mong hindi ginagawa. There's a no. Stop. No, don't stop. Charis. And because let's see what is a Jesus loving quotes. And bless are they that hear the word of God and keep it. So see, yung binibless daw yung mga naniniwala sa salita ng Diyos. Di ba yung mga naniniwala na may Panginoon at mayroong Ama at may mga gumagabay sa'yo. Di ba? So let's see what is the angel's number. There's a 222. So, I am a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance. Trust the seeds of your thoughts and nourish them with the words, feelings, and actions. See, I told you. Kung baga sinasabi, trust that seeds on your thoughts are growing as you are nourishing them with the words and feelings and actions. So, kung baga hayaan mo yung mga tinanim mo o yung ginawa mo sa mga tao na yan, hayaan mo lang, kung baga, Panginoon na yung magbabalik sa iyo, no? Kung baga, yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo mabuti, ay may mabuti ring balik sa'yo. Tandaan mo yan. Diba? So, wag kang magtaka, wag kang matakot, wag kang mangamba. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo, kasi ililip yan ni God. Aangat yan at iaalis ka niya sa mga bagay na kung ano man yung kinalalagyan mo ngayon at makakabangon ka. Power. So, let's see what is the messages of life. So, ang pinaka-message sa'yo ng buhay is a door to the infinite. So, ito na yung pintuan, no? Naglalakad ka na, ito na yung pagbukas mo ng pinto, diba? Ang kasaganahan ay para sa'yo. So, sinasabi dito, I'm at my centered heart, there is door that leads to the infinite. Today, I visit my heart center and open the door. As I enter, experience a deep sense of serenity, and I understand that I am eternal, that I am indestructible. From here, I can see beyond my life challenges to the higher level of my existence. I know now my inner light is infinite. So see, kumbaga, alam mo na kumbaga, ibibigay ito sa'yo, siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na, kumbaga walang katapusan, 'di ba, na biyaya. So guys, sinasabi ko sa'yo dito, kumbaga grind lang ng grind at the same time, no, kumbaga gumawa ka at mag-invest ka na mabubuti sa sarili mo at sa buti sa kapwa mo, at darating yung araw na aanihin mo yan. No, there's a cause and effect na situation na lahat ng ginagawa natin, kumbaga maniwala ka sa karma. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of February 14 hanggang February 20 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So I request this, once again, I am Chin Rodriguez from my second channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. And of course, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagop. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga nag-share ng aking video sa namang uri ng social media platforms. Maraming salamat po. And of course, guys, maraming salamat sa mga hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo. Na just at may kapasiksik digdig na gumapaw ang biyama ng balik sa inyo. And of course, guys, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa akin, no? Lalo-lalo na yung mga patuloy na panunood at pagsusubaybay. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And of course, maraming salamat. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.